Can you tell us your name?
My name is Oloro.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a businessman.
What type of business do you do?
I sell school bag and traveling bag.
Where do you have a business office?
Lagos Island. Hello.
Where were you traveling to?
Paris.
Which flight?
Air France.
What were you going to do in Paris?
I go for a visit.
Can you tell us what happened at the airport when you arrived?
The NDLA catch me for airport.
At where? At
Abuja.
Where? At the boarding gate where?
I forget the gate.
Okay. When they catch you, what happened?
Nothing happened.
You were they asked you questions?
Yes, they asked me questions.
Okay. And then what transpired between you and the NDL officers at the boarding gate?
They want to do me X-ray.
Yes.
Where I refused because of my health.
Okay. Then what happened then after that?
They bring me here.
To the office?
Yes.
Okay. So they took you to the officers escorted you to toilet this morning. What happened?
They find drug.
They find drug. How do they find the drugs?
Through toilet.
You do toilet? And
yes.
From your system? From your
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
How many wraps have you excreted this morning?
9 pieces.
9 pieces. Altogether, how many pieces do you have?
74.
74. Okay. Were you paid? How much were you? Do they promise to pay you? For
3,000.
3,000 what?
Euro.
Euro. Okay. And who's the person that gave you the drugs?
It's in France.
In France. What is his name?
Onyebushi.
Onyebushi.
Okay. How did he communicate with you?
No, he didn't communicate with me. I never see him for the first time. But somebody he knows, come and bring the thing for me.
Okay. So now you count it by yourself. These are the wraps you excreted this morning.
Yes.
Count it. Let's see how many pieces. You have to count it. How many?
9 pieces.
No, count this one.
Count it loud, one by one.
This one is 22 pieces.
Count it. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.